Stone Garden Residence by Eastern Design Office in Japan. We intended to create a bold atmosphere that great emptiness, such as sky, ocean, beach, and desert can bring about. In ordinary residential quarters, the architecture exists as if it comes from the other world. This house has extraordinary power, just as mausoleums can. 2 walls. A window with a characteristic shape. Cantilevered volume. The strong expression of this architecture is brought by focusing attention on above 3 architectural elements. This simplified architecture is in pairs with huge stones in the garden, with the blue sky at dawn and sunset, and with white moon. This simplicity reminds of the repose that one has forgotten. The wall, with a few openings on it, looks longer than its actual length, 47 meters. Curved walls and incremental changes in pavement level give this visual effect. Only one opening on the facade located above the wall is in the shape of tower. This is solitary, a nostalgia to, recollection of, the real world. Which scene can give stronger expression, pure natural landscape or combination of nature and artificial element? We want to make the natural landscape stronger by adding our work. Primitive shape of this architecture has same kind of strength that we can find in the nature, endless horizon, the moon crossing ridge of mountain.